My name is Jānis Dūcis. How do you see on the window on the Subaru? I am the rally driver. I think maybe 15 years driving the rally. And this is my last car who I built. We started to the turbo engine, and then turbo engine blew off, and we think what to do, and we buy the Subaru Outback with the 3.0 atmospheric engine, and we think to put this engine in the Subaru Impreza WRX, and we did it very well. I drive some competitions. We drive with this Subaru, and I think very well. We the first places, take the first place, and I think this is a good, not so expensive to drive with this engine, because the turbo engine is some things from the turbo, and then many other things who is expensive. But this atmospheric engine is very powerful, and no problems with him. We drive some tests, and the engine blew off on the road, and there much of fire, and we tried to fire off, and very big problem. But this is interesting. But we do
impossible.
We do impossible to blow the fire, and we did it, and there is okay. And then I think we need to change the engine. I started to calculate with the turbo engine is very expensive. I calculate, and I think this maybe a 5,000 euros, and then I think about that. Maybe we can do to the atmospheric engine for of the Subaru Outback, and I bought the car of England, and with the 3 liters atmospheric engine, and we take from this car and put there a little bit, not so much to rebuild for put there, but I think it's very interesting car. The Subaru Impreza with the atmospheric engine for the 6 cylinders, boxer type, and I drive with that. It's very interesting.